Next up, we'll replace these mirrors. As you can see, the moving mechanism of the mirrors don't work anymore. The knob doesn't work. So we'll remove this and we'll put back the old simple stock mirrors from the Zen. So to remove the mirror assembly, you have these two Phillips head screws here. So we'll remove that. Once these screws are out, all you need to do is remove that trim outside. Just pull out the trim and it would come out. And additionally, you have these three Phillips head screws inside. You can see the three screws here. There you go, the stock mirrors from the VX model. Now we'll clean this area properly. Now unfortunately I couldn't get the stock MGP replacement mirror for the LX, so I had to settle for an aftermarket dealer who goes by the name Royal. This is it. Now if you were to switch to the stock mirrors, you will also have a trim that comes here, so you'll have to source that additionally. That is available. I was able to source it finally. There you go. Although it's an aftermarket part, the quality is quite okay, and it also comes with these nuts which is inside the plastic hole there for securing these screws, so that's fine. Don't over tighten these screws. So this side is done. The quality is quite good. The plastic molding quality, the finish. Man, this really feels odd, because these days you have electronic mirrors which are auto dipping, auto dimming, things like that, heated, and going back to mirrors of this era wherein you have to adjust it yourselves. Anyway, like I said, there is a trim that comes here, so we'll source it and install it later. Right now, I don't have the part, so we'll install it. So I've replaced the mirror at the driver side as well. So I finally got those interior trims for the mirrors and I've installed them. It's pretty simple. It just clips onto these two holes there. You'll see two locking type clips here. One gets inserted into the trim like this, and what you need to do is you just have to insert it with these two holes there, and it locks itself in place. Repeat the process on the other side as well. Just pay attention to the fact that those two white clips which lock onto this door here, there's a good chance that it may break because this part is actually quite old. So it becomes brittle over time. So please be careful when you're handling. You can also get newer replacements from Maruti. So if required, you will need to use those. So that brings a wrap to the work related to mirrors. Now let's see the parts used for this DIY. This is a left side mirror. This is a right side mirror. This is a left trim. This is a right trim. Both the trims come with the plastic clips. This is a parts diagram that shows the two mirrors and the two trims from the inside. That's all, guys. Thank you so much.